So you can see this corn right here. It has on one. I took one from here, so that would be 2, 3, 4. And guess what? It has another little one around here. 5. All right. This one don't seem as though it's going to get too far, but I know that as soon as I get these, it's probably going to get bigger. But look at this baby. Look at the roots. Look at the roots. And it goes up and goes up and goes up and goes up. Yeah. And take a look at this one right here. It is not as robust or looking as giant as that one is looking, but it has 3 corns on there. 1, 2, and 3. Look at this little flimsy one that I almost took out. I'm glad I didn't take it out because I may just get something. And something is always better than nothing. And it has 2, you can see on there. And the one around there as well. So all of my corns, they are giving me more than 1 ear of corn, and that is fantastic. I am going to share with you exactly what I've been doing with my corns. I've had previous lovely harvests. Yeah. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. In recent times, I did with these corns what I did with that giant of a corn that I just showed you, and they were looking flimsy, but look at them now. They are also turning into giants, doing so well. So I'm going to share with you right now how they got to here from where they were and to be looking like this right now. So what I'm basically doing right here is filling up the dirt around the base of the corn. So yes, you got that right. I'm just making a hill around the base right there. Now, this is quite simple. I am using a knife right here, but you can use an hand shovel or whatever you want to use. I'm just using what I have right here right now. So of course, after I go ahead and finish up filling all of the corns, this is what I did next. So I went ahead and add some horse manure in sawdust, and this is well cured. All right, so never you use your hot manures unless they are cured in your garden. They can damage your plants instead of do them good. Now corns are heavy nitrogen feeders. Horse manure, it has a high percentage of nitrogen, so when I do this and then water, the nutrients will keep releasing in the soil. So the sawdust is acting as mulch, so it helps me to retain moisture. As you know, the temperatures now are very high, so I need to have that going. Of course, I continue to use my liquid fertilizer that is made from kitchen scraps as well. I have more corns right here. They start to push out hairs already. So this one has 2 right here. That one has 2 right there. I can see this one pushing out 2 as well. These little ones around here coming up nicely. I just top up these yesterday, so they are looking very flimsy, but we'll see how they will turn out. I should have taken out quite a few before they got to here, but I didn't get the chance. I decided to let them stay and see what will become of them. So that's my experiment right there again. I know some persons do not have access to manure, but if you have your compost, I would recommend using the compost. No, they're heavy nitrogen feeders, right? So if you can get some coffee grounds and heal it with your compost, or just before you heal it with the soil, just put some around it and then you put the soil over it. They will love you for that. because coffee grounds is high in nitrogen. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share this video if you can. Also, drop me a comment. When you interact with my video, the algorithm will push my video further so that others can see and also get some inspiration. Thank you so much in advance, and God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.